Just another day without power at the Y. Oh yeah, pools are draining themselves already. What do you know? Okay, first things first. Pull the flow sensors and the probes, because once these guys wake back up, the probes are going to read way the hell off. And having the flow sensors unplugged is going to disable feed when they do come back on. Okay, flow sensors are good. Okay, before we close valves, let's do the power disconnect, because we don't want pumps auto starting in the middle of the night with valves closed. Oh shit, did I just break that? Okay, that's good enough. Let's do this guy here. Bleach tanks, I gotta switch the lines, but not doing that when the power is out and under emergency lights. Okay, next round of disconnects. Off, 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 off. Hot tub will not drain itself overnight. Let's see, surge tank. Yeah, that's really high. That's gonna drain itself if we do nothing. Okay, so let's hit that, hit that. Hit that. Actually, no, it wants to drain itself into the surge tank, so we'll choke off the main drains and the surge tank entirely. And we'll close that one for good measure. I think that is all we need. Because, yeah, the hot tub valves, those can stay open. Less to deal with in the morning. Okay, recheck the controllers. Pressure switches unplugged, probes unplugged. Big pool pressure switch and probes are unplugged. Let's see, 2 main valves good. Pump disconnect off. Return valve closed. Yeah, that should be everything. Let's see, there's no one in the elevators. Well, no one replied when I banged on the elevator doors. And got the fire alarm annunciator panel cleared. I think we might be ready to go home. Check in on the housekeepers before we leave, but I'm not going to get that on camera in case they spook them.